how to assemble the projector. So here you can see the projector is in two parts. We have one long piece which has the projector at the top, and we have this small piece which is the base, which is where the sheet of perspex fits in for drawing. What you'll need for this is you'll need one of these bolts, which should be with it, and you'll need this 10mm spanner. What we do is we take the whole of this and place it up on top of here. It should balance reasonably well on its own, but it's best to hold it. You can see there are some marks over here, B and B on this side, and A here, which is where you should align it to get the best image. Now, once I've moved these to the correct position and aligned the lines, we take this bolt that we showed you earlier, put it down into the gap, and then twist the entire thing round to the right. And you should see there's a little slot on the top, and it should go across ways, and that means it's going to lock in place. Then when it's in the correct position, tighten it until it's finger tight, then get your 10mm spanner and give it a good tighten. Then this should hold everything well and truly in place. Next, you can take the power supply, which is the one that looks like this, and just plug it into the bottom of the projector's power supply. Then you can plug it into, or you can turn the projector power supply on, and the projector should come on. This will take a little bit of time, so if you go up to the projector, you can see on the back this little line here, the light here is green, and after a few seconds it will display the ViewSonic logo at the bottom. If that's out of focus, on the side of the projector is a little wheel here. This little wheel is the focus wheel and will allow you to get it in focus. It should be pretty well focused though already. Once this loads, you'll be given this menu. Use the remote control. Try not to drop it, to control what we're doing. And what we need to do is we go up to get into the file menu. Let's see if we can keep that there, the file management, and then say yes, okay to go into it. Now we need to go across to this USB. To do that, we need to press the back button and then down to select USB. And then if we go right and go down and select the first one of these, frame18.png, and then we click OK. This will show the first frame of the image that we're going to be drawing. The next section, if you want to move to the next image, then at this point all you do is press the next and back buttons here, which enable you to go to the next image and the next one, slowly but surely all the way through. When you get to the end, you'll see it head back to the first one. There's an image described at the top and you can see which image you're going through. And that should be everything you need. You don't need to worry about this at all. Just make sure you start on image 18, get them to draw that in with the perspex piece in place. So for the perspex to be in place, remember, you can see this one's fuzzy. Remember to peel the protective layer off both sides, so it should be completely transparent. And then you just place it between the two tracks, between the two legs, drop it down and then just push it all the way until it engages with this piece to stop it from moving, and it should be then perfectly centered and everything's ready to go. You use the Sharpie pens, get the participants to draw around these edges, and when they're finished, take this off and then build it up with the Lego. And that's everything you need to do to set up the projector and get it working.